Hi.
Hi, Charles.
Hi.
Hey, Charles. Where you going?
Oh, Mama's leg.
Come here, Charles. Come on, Charles. Come here, Charles. Come on, Charles. Come by the front door.
Come in. Come in.
We'll go by the front door.
He's not letting go. Hold on. Oh, there you go. There you go. Come on.
Charles, come here, Mama.
Charles. Charles. Charles, where you going? See ya.
Charles.
See ya. See ya. Hi, Charles.
Hi, Charles.
Hi, Daddy. Here I come. You tap dancing? It's like you got skis on. Are you gonna watch TV? Oh, back you go.
Where are you going, buddy?
Just walking around. Look at yourself in the mirror over there, Charles. There you go.
Come here, Charles.
Hi. Come on. Look in the mirror, Charles.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word.
Look in there. There's Charles. Look at Charles.
Who was that?
Woohoo! There's the bird. Look at there's the bird. There's a bird in there. Yeah. There's a bird in there.
Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word.
Bird, bird, bird. Bird is.
Hello.
Talk.
Hello. Bye-bye.
Say bye, Charles.
Bye-bye.
Charles, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Guess you don't want to talk.
Pretty bird. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word.
Hi, Pumpkin. Love you.
Bird, bird, bird. Bird's a word. Hello. Hello.
Ruffle your feathers at me, mister. Okay, it's time. Get outside. Come.
Oh, he knows he's...
Come on. Come on.
Remember. Come on, Charles. Oh, there we go.
Hi, handsome.
Hi,
Coming
Charles.
up your arm.
Coming up my arm. I can't get a movie of you. Oh, okay. That's it.